Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing one of my favorite sneakers of 2020 and definitely one of my favorite pairs. So in this video we are going to be unboxing the super limited edition Chinese New Year Ultraboost 20. So this is the Ultraboost 20 Chinese New Year. So let's just look at the box over here, guys. So if you can see the detailing over here, so let's just see the detailing over here. Super cool. So if you see over here, you have the koi fish. So this is the koi fish on here, very cool. And this is the Adidas box, of course. So guys, I was in Vietnam and this was the only pair available in my size. So this is definitely one of the coolest sneakers I've seen in my life, and it's I'm so glad to own it. So I paid like 500,000. No, I paid 5 million dong, which is Vietnamese dong. So I just opened the box. You open it like this, and let me just get on to unboxing this shoe. You have to check out this shoe. This is definitely one of the coolest shoes I've ever seen. So let's just open it like this. Guys, look at that. How dope is this sneaker? Oh. So I just threw out the box. Okay, so guys, let's just get on to the sneaker here, which is the Ultraboost 20 Chinese New Year. It is very similar to a Gucci shoe or whatever. It's super cool. So let's just go on to checking out the sneaker over here. So as you can see over here, you have this beautiful texture, this beautiful color. So over here, guys, you have two koi fish, which is really cool because this is the Chinese New Year edition. You have these lotus flowers over here, and if you see on the bottom of the sneaker, you have the lotus flower as well. So over here, let's just go into more detailing. Over here you have the Ultraboost word, which is over here, and compared to the other Ultraboost, it does not have the neon kind of thing. I was surprised. I thought they would put it onto this, but it's really cool. So look at this over here, guys. It has these golden reflectors. So if you see it in the dark, it's gold, but if you see it in the light, let's just put the light, and you can see they reflect, and if you put them, you go out jogging or walking. I wouldn't recommend jogging in these, but they are super comfortable. If you've ever worn, Ultraboost, you know how comfortable these shoes are. And if you've not worn one, if you haven't worn the regular one, guys, this is next level. Let's just look at inside the sole over here. So if you see, I have the shoe. Where is this? Oh, I have this in there. So if you see inside, you have this velvet kind of. Let me just see if I can take it out. Oh yeah, I can. So look at that. How dope is that? Look at the amount of attention to detail, guys. This is like a velvet kind of thing. It's super soft. The insole, and over here you have this over here, which is like a foam, and it even has the attention to detail where they have the Adidas in it. If you see the regular boosts, they're like this, but this sole adds so much comfort. But look at this, guys. To have the dragons, sorry, not the dragon, but like a tiger's claw, because it is the Chinese New Year edition. So we'll put this back in here. So a few things to note on this new sneaker is over here on the tongue, they have the gold emblem, which is very cool. The sneakers laces have this gold, and this is unlike most sneakers. This is metal, guys. So let me just show you. So this is metal. So if you want to get this in a screening, you'll have to take out your shoes at the airport. But definitely fantastic stuff. The sole is super comfortable. Let's just get on to under the shoe. Okay. So they have this midsole over here. They have this orange thing in between. It's quite hard, but it's really cool. But I have a wide foot, and for a wide foot person like me, this is really comfortable. I was really surprised that for a wide, because I had the older one. If you see, it's very wide, so it really supports your foot. Something which I didn't like at first about the shoe is you see it curves up over there a bit, but once you start walking, you actually realize it makes a difference and it actually helps you start walking, because when you start walking like this, so it will just absorb all the pressure from your toes, and it's really good. But at first it's going to be something which you're going to really notice, because the moment your thing goes up, your toes go up like this. Okay, another thing that has been introduced to this, which is not on most sneakers, is it has the Continental sole. So this is, they have collaborated with Continental, and so this has like a really crazy grip. Continental, if you don't know, guys, is like a really outdoor shoe which they use for like mountain climbing or whatever. So not mountain climbing, but hiking or whatever. So it really gives this shoe like this tough. It's super tough. It's really strong material. Really cool material. Uh, yeah, guys. So that's the sneaker. Let's just get another look at it over here. So I'll put both the sneakers here. Super cool. Very nice sneaker. Definitely recommend buying this. So this is the Chinese New Year edition, Adidas Ultraboost 20, guys. So if you want to buy this, I don't know if you'll be able to buy them. They're very rare. I think I'm one of the only persons in the whole of India who has this, at least in my size, which is 11. So this is the ultimate sneaker, guys. So you definitely want to check this out. So this is the, as I said many times, sneaker. I really definitely recommend buying this. Okay, one more last thing is this cushion sole. The edge has this super comfortable cushion which is not available on the other sneakers. So they have added a little bit of extra padding over here, which is amazing. So it takes your sneakers to the next level. So definitely recommend buying this. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. I'll be bringing lots of other videos like this. I have a huge sneaker collection and a lot of Hypebeast stuff. So this is the Supreme t-shirt. If you want to check out my other stuff, please do check out my channel and please do subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching.